All right, so for a single replacement reaction, what you're doing is you have to use the reactive series. Now, single replacement, remember, is A plus BC, and these switch places. Notice that this element is by itself, okay? It is by itself. So this is going to be AC plus B. That's the skeleton equation. So what we're trying to do is determine whether or not A can replace B. So if I have calcium, let's say calcium chloride plus iron, all right? So here is iron, here is calcium. Iron is below calcium, so this would be a no reaction because you cannot replace an element that's above you. Now, if I had written this like this, iron chloride plus calcium, then calcium is above it, so this would have been CaCl2 plus iron. It would have worked, okay? Let's look at another one. Let's say that I've got, let's do our halogens. Let's say that I've got tin fluoride plus Cl, all right? And that's going to turn into SnCl. Well, sorry, no, that cannot replace, sorry. If you'll notice, here's chlorine and here's fluoride. It cannot take place because chlorine is below fluoride. If I change this around, so this would be a no reaction. If I change this around and say SnCl4 plus F2, notice that fluoride is above chlorine, so it can replace it. So this would be SnF4 plus Cl2. Now, let me go ahead and answer this question because I know you probably all have it. Why is this a 2 and this a 4? You got to remember that, one, these are diatomic, meaning they will always be in pairs when they are by themselves, okay? They never just are F or Cl. So if I look at tin has an oxidation of +4 and F has an oxidation of -1, so that's where we get the SnF4. So that's single replacement reactions. You can either do it through the activity series of metals, so remember, this is my metals, or of halogens. These are my halogens. So let me give you one to practice yourself and then come back and pause the video and then come back and check it. All right, so let's say you've got this. We're going to look at, let's say that you've got nickel bromide plus aluminum, all right? And you want to know if that reaction can take place. So I want you to try to do this one on your own and then come back and see if it works. And then I'll give you another one as another example. Let's do cobalt chloride plus mercury. All right, so once again, pause the video, do these two, and then come back and see if you did them correctly. All right, so here's the correct answer. Aluminum is here. Nickel is here. So aluminum can replace nickel because it is higher. So this would be aluminum bromide plus nickel. All right. If I look at cobalt, cobalt is here. Mercury is here. Mercury is below cobalt, so this would be a no reaction.